Hi guys, today the kids want to join me in the kitchen. We're making a ratatouille. Once again, a super simple, easy and quick recipe that will feed my whole family. It's using fresh vegetables from the garden or the local market. We're using eggplants, zucchini, tomatoes, and of course the Herbamare original. So let's start. As the oven is preheating at 350, I'm cutting up the vegetables into thin slices about a 1/4 inch thickness for all the vegetables. And you want some round slices. In a deep dish that will go in the oven, I am putting, first of all, about 2 cups of tomato sauce. I'm adding to that some Herbamare, black pepper, also what's in there, basil, thyme, and oregano. And you mix that all together. You can see my daughter crying from all the onions. And then basically you want to just take all those slices of vegetables and stack them together, but as a spiral shape into the dish. You go all around and then you just keep on going towards the middle, and it'll make this really nice spiral. You just alternate the vegetables. You don't really have to make it perfect. Doesn't matter if there's 2 of the same kind touching each other either. It's gonna be nice and tasty anyways. So at the end, I add a bit of olive oil, some pepper, and Herbamare once again. Put in the oven for about an hour. Take it out, and there you go. Super good.